guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my high puff look. I don't often do it, but I hate tying up my hair, so yeah, it's a bit of a process, and we're just going to get into the video now. Yeah, okay, so literally, since we're getting our hair up, what you're gonna need is where's my comb? So you're gonna need the hair detangler and afro comb just to comb your hair a bit, and I start off by parting my hair into sections, and then I'm going to use my argan oil leave-in conditioner by Cream of Nature to, you know, give it a little bit of moisture before I go ahead to comb it. It's easier when you part your hair into sections, that way the moisture can go a bit into the scalp, and then I comb it with the afro comb, more like pick it up before I'm able to comb it with the hair detangler. Yes. You want to comb your hair towards the sky because that's where the puff is going to go, look upwards. So I go ahead and I just keep combing in, and just make sure you're not doing, you know, too much pulling here and there. And for me, I always apply my castor oil, my black castor oil, into my roots, mostly when I have my hair parted in sections. But this time since I'm gonna have my hair outside and the edges and the ends are going to be out, I still went ahead to apply some. Then I went on to use my hair detangler and just brushed over it, and then we're going to use the elastic band to tie it up. So you don't want to try to pull the entire hair into one straight bun. You want to take your time and do it because the hair is thick. You can tell it's really thick. So I just go in slowly and I pull the hair band tighter as I use my hand to push the hair upwards, and then I pick it with the afro comb too. Take your time, be patient. You don't want to make your scalp hurt. The hair is important, but the scalp is more important than the hair. I generally do not do much, so as you can see, I'm still taking my time to pull the hair in little bits towards the center, and then eventually I tie the hair band behind, or actually in the front, and then I tie it again and create another knot. I'm going to comb my hair a bit more just so it's not as thick around the hair band. So I created another knot just to hold the hair band in place, and then I'm going to hide the rest of the band under my hair. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just taking the end of the hairband and I'm shifting it under the hairband itself, like the circle I made with the knot. Don't mind that little weird looking edge. Okay, so we're almost done here, and now you're going to want to pick your hair out a bit and create less thickness around the hairband itself. It also gives your hair, the puff, a little bit more of volume, and it just looks fuller. And I'll just spray a little bit of conditioner around my edges because I don't want to use any gel around my edges. Then I'm going to take a bit of my hair, a few strands, and then tuck it around the elastic just so it doesn't look, you know, obvious. Then next we're going to take a little more hair on the sides of our edges and, you know, just curl it a bit just to give it a bit more of a different style. This is how I mostly do it. So I'm using the Got2b glue. I promise this is not Gorilla Glue, okay? We're just going to use the Got2b glue to give it a bit more hold. I would mostly use Eco Styling Gel, but yeah, Eco Styling Gel flakes a little bit more than the Got2b. So yeah, I used that one after spraying my hair with a bit of conditioner, and then I curled it on the ends. They were not equal looking, but not all fingers are equal, so we're going to live with that. So this was the final look. You can check out the description box and do not forget to leave your comments, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.